Hey everyone, Mike here in the BFH garage. Man, I cannot believe it, but I have to talk about unclaimed prizes from the giveaway. Believe it or not, somebody did not claim the grand prize. And there's a couple water bottles that didn't get claimed. There's a couple soft shackles that didn't get claimed. A whole bunch of stickers, which I'm not too concerned about, but the grand prize and the water bottles and soft shackles are a huge deal. So I'm going to give them away again. This time, I'm going to do it a little bit differently to make sure that we get rid of these things. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to announce, I think, probably 15 names. You're going to see them on a slide here in a second. And I'm going to go in order. So the first name on that slide will be the grand prize winner. If they don't claim it within 7 days, then I'm going to go to number 2 on that list, and they're going to be the grand prize winner until somebody claims that thing. And it's going to go in that order for all the prizes. So name number 1 is going to get the grand prize. Name number 2 and 3 are going to get water bottles or coffee tumblers, and then 4 and 5 will get soft shackles. Keep in mind that it's got to go down that list, so it'll take a second to figure out who responds, who doesn't. So if you see your name on the list, respond right away, and then I'll go through all those names and I will announce those winners. So if you see your name here in this next slide, be sure to reach out to me at the correct email address. I had a couple people not do it right. It is mike@thebfhgarage.com. So if you get the email wrong, it's on you, not me. I'm going to try to get these prizes out as soon as I possibly can. So you see your name, give me that email. I'll get your address. I'll get you a passphrase to put in your comment to make sure we have the right one. I'll give you the directions as we go along. For those winners in the contest, I had one in Scotland, one in France. Your prizes will be on the way very soon. I've been extremely busy, but I will get those out the door to you guys, so stay tuned. They're coming. For the rest of you, if you're new to the channel, you're not eligible for this giveaway. This giveaway is still using the people from the original content entrance. That's both my video and the one that was on my daughter's channel. So I'm going to pick through all of those names and let's give these things away. Thanks for the support.